Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to write YouTube script using ChatGPT. Let's get started. Give ChatGPT a prompt. Go to ChatGPT and type something like, write a YouTube script for a 2-minute video about the benefits of cold showers. Be specific, topic, tone, and length. You can also customize the output. You can say make it sound friendly and casual, or add a hook in the intro and a call to action at the end. Once ChatGPT gives you the script, tweak it to fit your style, add personal stories or change the intro to match your channel vibe. ChatGPT can also break down scripts into scene or add timestamps, perfect for visual planning and production efficiency. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.